Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKitClub. Today's project is inspired by the current Moodboard challenge, and the Moodboard was created by Kerstin, I believe. And there's an image with, I believe these are some doors, some open things, and they are arranged like a rainbow. And so I was totally inspired by that image, and I recreated I created a rainbow from pattern papers from the kits. I'm working with the May kits. I'm sorry. I have an orange ray, a yellow ray, a green and a blue ray. I distressed the edges and I did some machine stitching to the rays, and then as you can see now I'm popping them off with some dimension, with some 3D squares, and I will do that off camera, so you don't need to watch me doing that for the next race. And you can also see that I also did a look into the ephemera packs, because I knew I wanted to do a rainbow inspired layout with some tone on tone details. And just because there are so many pieces, I looked through them before I even started the filming part, and just because it's taking so much time, and here I knew which pieces I wanted to use, and now everything is just around building up my my layout. And I decided to have everything on the left side from the page, and I will have all of the details, or most of them, under the picture. And the picture shows my oldest son in the age of 7 months maybe, or maybe 6, I am not sure, but he was having some fun in the kitchen, as you can see, and I love that picture to pieces. And the only thing I changed was the colors, just because the colors are not matching my theme today, and so I am always safe with black and white pictures. Now you can see how my page is coming together, and I totally love how everything is looking. The only thing that's annoying me here right now is everything is moving around. And so I took a break, I sticked down the rainbow to my paper. I glued down my picture, and now I will bring in some color red thread, some matching colors, and then I will start to glue everything back to the paper. I also grabbed some exclusive pieces from the March kits, and just because they are so beautiful, and the colors are just perfectly matching. I'm sorry, I lost my train of thoughts here. And so I just grabbed a few flowers, and I believe the big yellow butterfly. Rest of the flowers are from Paige Evans from the Wonders collection, I believe. There are some Pink Fresh Studio things, I believe, and some other bits and pieces from the kits, but I'm just grabbing the colors, and I'm looking and trying and gluing down, and I really had fun, and I really love how this layout turned out. Yeah, I'm just gluing down my die cuts, the ephemera pieces. I added some yellow thread, I added some very light blue thread under the light blue flower, and now I'm just making my way through the pieces. And these are not my go-to colors. I have not created a rainbow with these colors, so there's no pink, and I don't know, it felt like I am missing something, but in the end I'm totally happy about the page, and that I only used these 4 main colors. And yeah, I really like how this is looking. But you can see I will sneak in one tiny red flower, just because the last rainbow color, the orange, is ending into a very dark orange. It's nearly a red tone, and so I thought this little red flower would work well with that orange color from the paper. So now I added some gold leaves, just because I wanted to have some variations, and I wanted to have a different color, not a matching color, but you know, something different. And so I thought gold is always a great idea. This Love You sticker and the Hey You, or the little sayings, they are cut out from a pattern paper from, I believe, Jen Hatfield. It's look like a little washi tape strips with sayings on it, but I just cut off the ends so it's a straight edge. And yeah, I just love how they are looking here. So I am nearly done. I will have a look into the stickers and the chipboard pieces, and I know I will bring in some animal dots at the very end. And here I was thinking about a banner from the Paige Evans Wonders collection, but it was not looking right, and so I will not use any of them. These are also some puffy stickers from the March kits, and I'm just grabbing some of the colored hearts, light blue, dark blue, orange, and yellow. I thought about adding the tiny dots there on that sheet, but I will not. I will remove them in a bit. And then I will, oh yeah, this is also a puffy sticker set from the March kits. And I will grab one of the little green sayings, good vibes only. And just because it's a perfect color and I found the perfect little spot for it. And yeah. Here I thought I would add some of these puffy stickers from Paige Evans, but I will not. I will, yeah, these are the puffy word stickers from Paige Evans from the Make It. And I thought I could sneak in an orange word. My first idea was the word happy, but it's too long. Then I saw the word fun, and I thought I could sneak that in between the flowers and the orange, the leaves and the orange flowers. I'm sorry, but I will not. I'm trying it, but it's not looking, maybe because the font is not straight, you know, it's a bit on an angle, and so it was driving me nuts. So I needed to change that, and so I would just go without the orange word. But I will add some journaling lines and the date stamp on the right side from the flower cluster under the paper things from the rainbow, you know. And now I'm grabbing the animal dots, and I'm just going with a few colors, some yellow, some peachy orange, some blue, and I love the little details. It's always the greatest part to finish the page with some animal dots. Yeah, and now I will grab my ruler. I will add the lines, and then I am done. And I am totally in love. I really, I love the black and white picture. I love the colors mixed together. I'm very happy about it. And I hope you're inspired to create something beautiful today, like a rainbow page. And you can always do that with gorgeous kits. You will find tons of stuff in the same colors. So tone on tone, go for it. It's always fun and easy to do too. So, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope you enjoyed this process. And yeah, that's it. Talk to you soon. Bye.